Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a 3D outliner cone. So here I am using a thick plastic and I am going to cut into 4 pieces, and now I am making a cone, and now I am going to stick with cello tape. Now I am going to fill my paint into cone and clean up top of, and then you can place all the paint inside and put all the cello tape nicely so the paint won't come out, and then fold it and again stick, and your 3D outliner cone is ready. Now I am going to show you how to use 3D outliner top of the glass. This is I bought from Dollar Tree. This is a candle holder. Now I am going to clean with alcohol and all the stickiness with glue. And now again you can clean up with the alcohol, so no sticking on your glass, anything in there. Now I draw a design on my paper, and I am going to draw a design on my candle holder. This pen I am using a dry eraser, so it will be easily to wipe out. Step by step I am cleaning and using my 3D outliner. Again I am wipe it, and again I am doing free hand with 3D outliner. Now I am done with my 3D outliner. Here I am going to use glass paint to fill my all the flower. If you have a flower very small space, you can use toothpick to fill all the color inside the corner. Now I am going to use hot air gun to make dry fast. Once you're done with your all glass paint, now again you can use 3D outliner, top of the 3D outliner. Now I am complete my work and looks how beautiful look it is. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.